Welcome back to your class, and now we're looking at this question. So here say the diagram shows cells M and N. Which of the following correctly shows the difference between cells M and N? Now, if you look carefully, cell M, I mean, this is very obvious. As you know, this is actually a sperm cell, and sorry, and sperm cell is actually an animal cell. This is an animal cell. Okay, but if you now look at cell N, teacher, what is this? Cell wall, there's a cell wall, there's nucleus, there's chloroplast, there's cell membrane, there's cytoplasm. It has 5 of this. Is this a plant cell? But teacher, does plant cell look like this? It's a bit weird. Now, don't forget that we talk about animal cell, we talk about plant cell. All of these items are actually under multi-cellular organism. Okay, don't forget we have something called what? The single cellular organism. It means that there are also cell that is actually alone, just one cell itself, and it can stay alive. And what we have here is actually not the plant cell that we normally think it is, but this is actually the single cell or cellular organism. Means that it's just one cell and it can stay alive. Okay, don't forget, sometimes in question you might see also this, which is actually we don't really touch it that much, okay? But it's fine. Let's look at this question together. Number 1, cell M will be able to reproduce, but not cell N. No, cell N has the nucleus, so it also has the possibility to reproduce. So option 1 is wrong. Number 2, cell M will not burst when placed in water. This one will not burst in placed in water, but cell M will burst when placed in water. The answer is wrong. Again, because cell N have cell wall, can you see? That's why it will not burst. It will not burst. But cell M instead will burst because it doesn't have cell wall. Again, cell wall helps to helps it to not burst. Okay. So let's look at question 3. Question 3, cell N will be able to trap sunlight to make food, but not cell M. Is that true? You can see cell N, we have chloroplast, and that's why it can trap sunlight to make its own food, but cell M cannot, which is true. The answer is option number 3. Let's look at question number 4. Option number 4. Cell N will only allow some substance to enter, but cell M will allow all substance to enter. Is it true? No, because we have cell membrane that is responsible to allow and control the movement in and out. Okay, so this is wrong. Now you might be wondering now that, teacher, do you mean this single cell organism or single cell organism have chloroplast and have cell wall just like a plant cell? Yes, the answer is yes. And again, sometimes some single cell organism, they are not able to actually to get food. Sometimes they are maybe under a situation where they are not, or under a design where it's not able to do so. And in that case, they can have this chloroplast to actually attract light to actually help it to make its own food. Again, it's possible to have this, okay? So do not be alarmed when you see something like this. It's not only plant that can make its own food. There are some organism that is able to make its own food, okay? So that's all from my sharing here, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.